Hello everyone, Rosa here, and today I'll show you how to make a Russian honey cake called medovik. I already melted 100 grams of butter and cooled it slightly. Now we pour melted butter into a heat-proof bowl, add sugar and mix thoroughly. Then we add eggs one by one, mixing in each egg before adding the next one. Then add honey, brandy, stir well, add baking soda and mix so soda fully dissolves. Then put our batter over a pot of gently simmering water. Warm the batter for 5 to 7 minutes. You have to stir constantly so the eggs don't cook. The batter will froth and increase in volume, but we just keep stirring. After 5 to 7 minutes have passed, we take it off heat. Let the batter cool, maybe for 5 to 10 minutes. Then we need to add flour, cup by cup. Mixing thoroughly before you add the next cup. When we added all flour, we can knead the dough by hands. It will still be sticky. There's nothing scary in that, you can just clean your hands afterwards. After you kneaded it for a little bit, you can give it a 15 to 20 minute rest. Meanwhile, heat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Shape the dough into a log. Divide it into 6 pieces. On a piece of baking paper, roll the discs of dough into 2 to 4 millimeter thin round layers. Bake each layer for 8 to 10 minutes until they turn golden brown. While the cake layers are still hot, you accurately cut your layer to a desired diameter. I usually use a plate. You can use anything that's round. Then we make icing. In a bowl, we mix about 600 milliliters of thickened cream. It can be double cream or sour cream, according to your preference or availability, and add half a cup of sugar. Stir well and make sure that sugar dissolves. Then I crush all the offcuts, and I also add extra cookies, they're honey flavored, into crumb. You can use a knife to desiccate them, or you can use the food processor like I'm doing here. Now to assemble the cake. Put a layer of a cake on a plate. Pour about 4 to 6 tablespoons of icing and distribute the icing evenly. Then place another layer of the cake on top. Add more icing. And repeat till all the layers are on the cake. Distribute the icing on the top and sides of the cake. Sprinkle the crumb all over the cake. Let the cake sit on the counter for about 3 hours so the icing seeps into the layers of the cake. Or you can leave the cake overnight at a room temperature. If you're leaving it overnight, you have to gently cover or wrap it in a cling wrap or in a towel. I hope you like the recipe. If you like what I show you guys and would like to see more of what we cook here on this channel, please like and subscribe the videos. And thank you very much for watching. Bon appetit!